In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make crispy air fried banana chips using semi-green bananas that hold their shape and bring a natural sweetness, making them perfect for this recipe. Let's get started. Here's everything you'll need to make these banana chips. We'll be using 2 or 3 semi-green firm bananas, olive oil spray, salt, ground cinnamon, and that's it. To prepare everything, you'll need a sharp knife, a cutting board, a mixing bowl, and an air fryer with trays. We're using semi-green bananas because they're firm enough to hold their shape while cooking, but they also have a slight natural sweetness that complements the cinnamon. Fully green bananas are too starchy, I find, and ripe bananas are too soft, so semi-green ones are just right for that perfect crunch. Start by peeling the bananas. Since they're still slightly firm, you may need to make a small cut along the side to help remove the peel. Once peeled, slice them into thin, even rounds about 1/8 of an inch thick. This thickness ensures they cook evenly and crisp up nicely. If you prefer a chewier texture, you can slice them slightly thicker. Now, to reduce excess starch and help improve the texture, you can rinse the banana slices under cold water. This step is optional but can help prevent them from sticking together. After rinsing, pat them dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture before seasoning. Place the banana slices in a mixing bowl. Lightly spray them with olive oil to help them crisp up in the air fryer. Then add a generous sprinkle of cinnamon. Cinnamon enhances the natural sweetness of the bananas, giving them a warm and slightly sweet flavor without needing any added sugar. Toss the slices gently to make sure they're evenly coated. Finally, add a pinch of salt to balance the flavors and enhance the taste. Do you love cinnamon on your banana chips, or do you have another favorite spice? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, now it's time to arrange the banana slices on the air fried trays. Make sure they're spread out in a single layer with space between them. Kind of avoid overlapping to ensure proper air circulation, which helps them crisp up evenly. Place the trays into the air fryer and set the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. Cook the banana chips for roughly 15 to 20 minutes depending on your air fryer, flipping or rotating the trays halfway through. Keep an eye on them towards the end to make sure they don't overcook. Once the banana chips are golden and crispy, remove them from the air fryer. You need to let them cool for a few minutes. This is important because they'll continue to crisp up as they cool. If they seem slightly soft at first, don't worry, they'll firm up as they sit. And that's it, your homemade cinnamon banana chips are ready to enjoy. They're crunchy, naturally sweet, and packed with warm cinnamon flavor. Give them a try and let me know in the comments how you like them.